In today's video, I'll show you how to add categories in Acuity Scheduling step by step. If you want to organize your services so clients can easily find the right appointment type, categories are very useful. First, log into your Acuity Scheduling account and go to your dashboard. Once you're inside, open the Appointment Types section from the left side menu. This is where all your services are managed. Now look for the option to manage or edit your appointment types. To create categories, start by organizing your services under clear labels. For example, you can group them as consultations, coaching sessions, treatments, or business services. Next, edit each appointment type and assign it to the appropriate category. This helps structure your booking page so clients can easily navigate different services. If your version of Acuity allows category grouping directly, you can create a new category name and then place services under it. Otherwise, you can simulate categories by using consistent naming formats like consultation-30min or consultation-60min. After organizing your services, go to your scheduling page preview to see how categories appear to your clients. Make sure everything is clean, readable, and easy to navigate. A well-organized structure improves user experience and increases bookings. If needed, you can also reorder services so the most important categories appear at the top of your booking page. Once everything looks correct, save your settings. And that's it. You've successfully added and organized categories in Acuity Scheduling and made your booking page more user-friendly. And that's how you add categories in Acuity Scheduling. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.